Here I'm going to show you how your mind and body work together. So in a moment, I'm going to ask you to interlock your hands out in front of you. Place your two fingers out in front like that. Pull them back up in front of your eyes so that you're looking between those two fingers. And I want you to squeeze your hands really tightly. And then I'm going to ask you to imagine that there is a magnet on each of those fingers that are pointing upwards. And you will notice by imagining that there's a magnet connected to those fingers, there's only one thing that magnets do. Okay, so get ready. Interlock your hands. Place your two fingers out in front of you. Okay, and now bring them back up in front of you, looking through the gap there, pulling really tight, imagining that there's a magnet on each of those fingers, pulling tighter and tighter. And as you squeeze your hands tighter and tighter, those magnets are pulling tighter and tighter, tighter and tighter until those fingers begin to touch. And the harder you try to keep those fingers apart, the more they want to come together until eventually they touch. Now, hopefully you found that experience interesting, that what you think in your mind affects what happens in your body. So how can your imagination and hypnosis benefit you? Well, move on to the next exercise. I'm going to show a similar experience to how your mind and body works together.